All right, we're going to be removing a vertical hammer. First, undo the bridle tape. I'm a real believer in this jack holder back tool, so I'm going to insert, I'm squeezing it, and in its squeeze position, I'm inserting it between the jack tender and the let-off button, so now that pulls the jack as far away from, we're doing an end flange just so it's easier to see, but you can imagine it's a little more challenging when you're in the middle. Hang on now to the hammer. Screws loose. Switch hands. Push the hammers forward so you can bring this out. This is, with this type of spring, it's a little easier not to lose the screw. But with this kind of spring, it's a little more challenging to put it back in because you have to make sure that the flange is flat against the rail. Hang on to the hammer head. Hammers forward. Rotate. At this stage, I get the bridle tape in its position. Now here, I use just the tiniest little screwdriver, and I'm going to push on the corner so you can see that is now flat against the rail. Then I push the hammer to the forward position because that helps keep that against the rail. With this little screwdriver, it's easier to get into the slot and not knock it out of the hole. I turn it backwards till I feel it engage, and then with the lightest pressure, I screw this forward because if everything is in alignment, it should take literally no pressure. And now I'm against the flange, and then I use my bigger screwdriver just to give it one last snugging up. I grab the bridle tape. Then I like to flip this out in such a way that it leaves the jack with lots of slack for this bridle wire to go in. The other tool that you must have is this magnetic thing, because this works so smoothly, but often you drop the screw, then you can use this to fetch the screw and keep on going.